Hi, I'm Dr. Anastasia Jones. This is Sage Health TV, and I'm here with your weekly health booster. Today I'm going to talk about a topic. It's not the sexiest topic, but it's a really important one. It's called homocysteine. Now, homocysteine is an amino acid metabolite of the methylation process in our body. So why is this important? Well, it's something that we can test in our blood with a routine blood test, and elevated levels of homocysteine in our blood are actually a really important biomarker of certain diseases and medical conditions. Basically what it is it's a major marker of vascular inflammation, and vascular inflammation plays into a lot of things. In fact, elevated homocysteine levels are directly connected to a 25% increased risk in carotid artery stenosis, which is basically occlusive vascular disease. It's also connected to several other concerns: overall cardiovascular mortality. It is associated with an elevated risk of Alzheimer's disease, dementia, mood disorders, and even infertility in some people. So this is one of those things that we can look at very easily with people. I personally make it a routine part of most of my lab panels for people, especially when I'm looking at cardiovascular disease, looking at cholesterol, looking at other markers of inflammation. I love to throw that one in there because it gives so much information. It is a marker that is directly related to folate, B12, and B6 levels, so it's actually an inverse relationship with those. And it's also a good indicator of the possibility that there is an MTHFR or other genetic mutations that may need to be investigated. It's a really easy test, and like I said, it's a part of the routine blood work. It can be usually covered by most insurance companies, and if it's not, turns out it's actually quite affordable out of pocket. The lab we use only charges about $15 out of pocket, which can give a lot of information and a lot of peace of mind for not very much money. But like I said, it can be covered by insurance. This is an important test. Please ask your doctor for it next time you go in, and if they're not willing to do it, there are plenty of other integrative or functional medicine practitioners like myself that will run these tests for you. For more information, go to sagemedclinic.com.